Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17 Ultra and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So unfortunately in this device we do not have this kind of user-friendly option somewhere in the settings where we can simply turn on the automatic software updates. However, we can do it via developer options. So let's open the settings and then go to About Phone. Now let's localize this option OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. That's normal, no worries. So just do it, and then we have to scroll all the way down to find the option Additional Settings. Then let's scroll down again and find Developer Options. And now all we have to do is to scroll down a little bit to find the option Automatic System Updates. So as you can see, here we've got the information that your device will apply the updates when device restarts. So this is the only way that we can actually turn on the Automatic System Updates. So just tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active. Be aware, do not turn off the developer options by using the switcher. Do not do that, because if you will, then the automatic system updates will be turned off. So be aware about that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.